Hello students, today we will start with composition table or Cayley table. If G equal to set of A1, A2 and so on An with the binary operation star, then the composition table is given as follows. First, write the element of G row wise and then column wise, and star is your binary operation. Next, write A1 star A, A1 star A2, A1 star AJ, A1 star AN. Next, A2 star A1, A2 star A2, A2 star AJ and so on, A2 star AN. So on. And next, AI star A1, AI star A2, AI star AJ, AI star AN. So on, AN star A1, AN star A2, AN star AJ, AN star AN. The first row is the heading row. The first row is the heading row and the first column is the heading column. AI star AJ is the entry at the intersection of ith row and jth column. AI star AJ is the intersection of entries of the AI's row and AJth column. Next, see example. Consider a binary operation star defined on the set A, B, C as follows. A star A, B, A star B, C, A star C equal to B, B star A equal to A, B star B equal to C, B star C equal to B, C star A equal to C, C star B equal to B, C star C equal to A. This is the given composition table. Now, is the operation commutative? Find A star B star C and B star A star A. First, to show that star is commutative or not commutative, we know the definition of commutative. We know that the set G is commutative if A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to G. Here A star B equal to, by this composition table, A star B equal to C and B star A equal to A means here we see that C is not equal to A, therefore A star B is not equal to B star A, therefore star is not commutative, Now find out A star B star C and then B star A star A. A star B star C equal to, first find A star B. Here A star B equal to C, write C and this star C as it is. Now find C star C. C star C equal to A. C star C equal to A. And next find B star A star A. B star A star A equal to, B star A is A, B star A star A as it is. Now find A star A star A equal to B, Here we get A star B star C equal to A and B star A equal to B. Now see the next example. let G equal to, next example, let G equal to set of AB such that AB belongs to R, A is not equal to 0. Define a binary operation star, on G as follows. Here AB star CD equal to AC BC plus D. Show that star is well defined on G. Also find the identity element of G with respect to star. Next, is star commutative? Now here given is set G. G is defined as set of AB such that AB belongs to R and the first entry of this bracket is not equal to 0. Define a binary operation star on G as follows. AB star CD equal to AC BC plus D. Show that star is well defined on G. Also find the identity element of G with respect to star. Is star commutative? First, to show that star is well defined on G, we have to show that right hand side of this equation also belongs to G, and this belongs to G means first entry of this bracket must be not equal to 0. AB CD belongs to G. AB belongs to G means first entry of this bracket is not equal to 0, and CD belongs to G means first entry of this bracket C not equal to 0. Therefore, their multiplication A into C also not equal to 0. Therefore, AC BC plus D belongs to G because the bracket of the first entry of this bracket AC is not equal to 0. That's why this is also belongs to G. Therefore, star is well defined on G. Now, find the identity element of G. Next, to find identity element of G, suppose xy is the identity element of G, then we have AB star xy equal to AB. Why? In G is the identity element of G if A star equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to G. And here G is defined as this set ordered pair. That's why here we take two elements in ordered pair, AB and XY. AB, this is the A, and E nothing but the XY. Also here equal to A means AB. Now AB star XY equal to AB, and star is defined as AC BC plus D, means AB star CD equal to A into C first entry, second entry BC plus D. Here we get A into X, B into X plus Y equal to AB, since AB star CD equal to AC BC plus D. Now this two are equals means their entries must be equal. A into x equal to a, b into x plus y equal to b. A into x equal to a, which implies x equal to a upon a equal to 1. Now here we get x equal to 1, put x equal to 1 in this, b into 1 plus y equal to b, which implies b plus y equal to b. B plus y equal to b means y equal to b minus b, y equal to 0. Here we get x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and here we suppose xy is the identity element of G and x is 1, y is 0. X is 1, y is 0 means 1, 0 is the identity element of G. Therefore, here we get x equal to 1, y equal to 0. Therefore, 1, 0 is the identity element of G. Now, to find out star is commutative or not, for commutative we have to show that a star be equal to b star a. Consider arbitrary element. 2, 3 belongs to G, 1, 2 belongs to G. 2 is not equal to 0, 1 is not equal to 0. That's why this 2 element also belongs to G. For commutative, we have if 2, 3 star 1, 2 equal to 1, 2 star 2, 3, then we can say that star is commutative on G. 2, 3 star 1, 2 equal to, by definition, given definition, which AB star CD equal to AC BC plus D. AB star CD equal to AC BC plus D. AC BC plus D. Here A is 2, B is 3, C is 1, D is 2. A into C, first entry A into C, A into C 2. Next BC plus D, 3 into 1 plus 2. We get 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 2, 5. Next find 1, 2 star 2, 3. Here A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 2, D equal to 3. And by this definition, A into C, A is 1, C is 2, 1 into 2. Next B into C, B is 2, C is 2 plus D equal to 3, which is equal to 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 2, 4 plus 3, 7. Here we get 2, 5 and here 2, 7, which are not equal. Therefore, 2, 3 star 1, 2 is not equal to 1, 2 star 2, 3. Therefore, star is not commutative. Star is not commutative on G. Star is not commutative on G. Here we see composition table. Now, next point is group. Definition of group is let G be a non-empty set, together with a binary operation star, we say that G is group under the operation star, under the operation star, if it satisfies the following three properties, if it satisfies the following three properties, the following three properties. First property, associativity. The binary operation star on G is associative, that is A star B star C equal to A star of B star C for all ABC belongs to G. Second property is identity. There is an element E belongs to G such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to G. Third property is inverse. For each element A belongs to G, there is an element B belongs to G such that A star B equal to B star A equal to E. That is, every element in G has inverse in G. When G satisfies these three properties, then we can say that G is group. Let G be a non-empty set together with a binary operation star. The statement of this is, if AB belongs to G and star is binary operation, when we can say that star is binary operation on G, if AB belongs to G and A star B also belongs to G. The meaning of this sentence is nothing but this. Let G be a non-empty set together with a binary operation star. We say that G is a group under the operation star if it satisfies the following three properties. First, associativity. The binary operation star on G is associative, that is A star B star C equal to A star of B star C for all ABC belongs to G, means every members of G satisfies this property. Identity. There is an element E belongs to G such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to G. Inverse. For each element A belongs to G, there is an element B belongs to G such that A star B equal to B star A equal to E, that is, every element in G has inverse in G. Before videos we have seen that how to find associativity, identity and inverse. Now see the examples of group. For example, consider G equal to Z. Take two elements of Z under binary operation addition. AB belongs to Z, then A plus B also belongs to Z. Similarly, A, B, C belongs to Z. First property, associativity. A plus B plus C equal to A plus of B plus C for all A, B, C belongs to Z. Therefore, addition is associative in or on Z. Second, identity. We know that 0 is the identity in Z. A belongs to Z such that A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A for all A belongs to Z. Third, A belongs to Z, also minus A belongs to Z means 1 belongs to Z, minus 1 belongs to Z, 2 belongs to Z, minus 2 belongs to Z. Similarly, A belongs to Z, minus A belongs to Z. Therefore, we get A plus of minus A equal to 0, which is equal to minus A plus A. Therefore, minus A is the inverse of A. Here we get addition is associative, also 0 is the identity in Z, minus A is the inverse of A, addition is binary operation on Z. Therefore, by definition of group, Z is group under the addition. Next definition, abelian group. A group G with the binary operation star, is said to be abelian if the binary operation star is commutative on G, that is A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to G. A group G with the binary operation star is said to be abelian if the binary operation star is commutative on G, that is A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to G. Here we have seen Z is group under the addition. For example, we know Z is group under addition. Now, only here we show that addition is commutative or not on Z. Let AB belongs to Z, then A plus B equal to B plus A, because 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. That's why A plus B equal to B plus A. Therefore, addition is commutative on Z. Therefore, Z is abelian group under addition.